Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying your iPhone has iOS 14. 5 or later and Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location are on. Next, wake the AirTag. Remove the battery tab or press the battery until you hear the chime and hold it within 1 meter of your phone. Once the chime sounds, open the Find My app and tap Items, then Add Item. This starts pairing immediately. Make sure other Bluetooth devices are off to avoid interference, and watch for the on-screen animation to confirm discovery. Once the AirTag appears, you'll be prompted to name it and register it to your Apple ID. Follow those prompts and accept location and Find My permissions. If the AirTag doesn't show, toggle Bluetooth, restart your iPhone, and reposition the AirTag about 10 to 20 centimeters from the phone. Small distance changes help the NFC/Bluetooth handshake. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID and that iCloud Find My is enabled, because the AirTag ties directly to that account for security. You finish by confirming the AirTag appears under Find My right arrow items and testing, play sound or precision, finding to ensure it's fully connected. If you hear no chime or it won't pair, replace the CR2032 battery and press until it clicks. Sometimes a fresh battery fixes intermittent detection. If problems persist, unpair any old listing for that AirTag. Then reset the tag by removing and replacing the battery 5 times until it chimes on the final insertion. This forces a factory reset and lets you reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.